If you've ever scrolled through TikTok and seen those hilarious boat effect videos but wondered how people created them, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you how to make your own boat effect video using the CapCut PC web. By the end of this tutorial, you'll not only know how to find and use the right template, but you'll also be able to customize it so it feels unique and shareable. Even if the template isn't available directly on TikTok, you'll still be able to get that trending look with just a few clicks. Let's get started. Sometimes on TikTok, templates can expire or become unavailable. Don't worry if you run into that issue. That's where CapCut's PC web comes in handy. Go ahead and launch CapCut in your browser or from your desktop. Once you're in, look to the sidebar or the home screen for the Templates section. This is like the gateway to all the creative effects you see trending online. Now, in the Template section, you'll see a search bar. Type in boat or boat meme. Both terms work since trends can be named in a few different ways. This might take a moment to load up results. Just be patient, and if you don't see it at first, try refreshing or adjusting your search wording. Once the list pops up, browse through for the boat effect template that suits your style. Sometimes multiple versions will show up, each with little differences, so take a second to preview them. When you find the template you want, click on it and look for the Use Template button. This is where the fun begins. The template includes placeholder clips, almost like those blank frames in a photo album just waiting for your best photos or funniest videos. Click the Replace button on each placeholder. This will let you upload your own media from your computer. It's completely up to you what you use. So think about what story or joke you want your boat video to tell. Maybe you use a travel pic, a classic meme, or snippets of your friends. The effect works best when it's personal. Once you've swapped in your own clips, take a moment to preview. Click Next or Done, depending on what you see on the screen. CapCut will automatically blend your media with the boat template effect, so all that tricky editing is handled for you. Don't worry if it looks a bit off the first time. You can always go back and tweak your choices. Now, before you export and share, remember, you can further customize your video. Edit the text overlays, adjust the length of each clip, or add other effects from CapCut's toolkit to match the vibe you want. This step is where your creativity comes in. The more you play around, the cooler your final result. When you're satisfied, head up to the top right and click Export. CapCut will save the video to your computer, complete with the boat effect front and center. After export, you're ready for your TikTok upload. Simply post it as you'd share any other video. Your audience will love seeing your take on the meme, and that's it. The boat effect is just a few simple steps away, and with CapCut PC, you've got the flexibility to make each video your own. If this walkthrough helped or if you have questions, drop a comment below. I love hearing how your videos turn out. Give this tutorial a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy editing guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!